Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Start by confirming where the VPN is running on your network. Check the router's connected devices list to find the VPN client device. Open your computer or phone settings to confirm whether a VPN app or profile is active. Look for custom DNS, gateway, or routing rules that indicate router-level VPN routing. Note whether the VPN appears as an app, a system profile, or a router service. This distinction determines whether you remove the VPN from one device or from your entire Wi-Fi network. If the VPN runs on a single device, disable it first in the app. Open System Network Settings and remove any VPN profile listed under VPN or Network Configurations. Uninstall the VPN application using the normal app removal process for your platform. Reboot the device after uninstalling to clear cached routes and DNS. Reconnect to Wi-Fi and verify connectivity by visiting an IP lookup site to confirm your public IP address no longer routes through the VPN. If the VPN is configured on the router, log into the router admin interface first. Locate sections labeled VPN, OpenVPN, WireGuard, or Advanced Routing to find the VPN client configuration. Disable or delete the VPN client configuration and remove any custom DNS or static routes that direct traffic through the VPN. Save settings and reboot the router to apply changes. After reboot, confirm your external IP and DNS resolution no longer route through the VPN by testing from a connected device.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.